Hi there, David here and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Toronto has been such a fantastic place and Lake Macquarie is so beautiful. I've been encouraged to head north up to Newcastle and have a look around there. It's an older town full of heritage and a whole heap of good things. But on the way we're going to stop at Sugarloaf Mountain. Sugarloaf Mountain sits 420 metres above sea level and gives panoramic views of the whole area. Driving through the national park to get there is absolutely magnificent. So let's sheet on and check it out. What a magnificent little road trip was to get here. From the car park, it's about a 10-minute walk and it's got a few steps and it's not flat, that's for sure. Lake Macquarie is just behind me. On the other side over here is Newcastle. We might sheet on and head down to have a look. As you first enter the city, you're reminded of a time rich in history. The buildings and structures beautifully kept and maintained. Its rich maritime history never far away. It was time to get on the bike and explore. In the 1850s, convicts arrived here, washed ashore in a storm, and lying on the beach was coal, and what they saw also was red cedarwood, and quickly it established itself as a major source of energy and a major source of building material. It's hard to imagine a place so inextricably tied to the past. Heading along the coast was clear, clean, and the water inviting for all levels of ability. If you're coming to Newcastle and you want to swim, this is the place to go. Beautiful baths, beautiful swimming hole created amongst the rocks. It's almost natural, set amongst the surf, so you can feel like you're in the surf and you can hear the surf, but you're not part of it. With the taste for the coastline satisfied, I wanted to head into town and check that out. I'd been told about the heritage in the town, but I really wasn't prepared for the beauty I was about to encounter. The City Hall was just as they described it, the finest in the colony. The gardens, magnificent. And all I could do was admire places like the Customs House and the clocks and the towers. The churches were beautiful. Despite all the beauty, there was a constant reminder of Saka times. In 1998, an earthquake measuring 5.6 on the Richter scale, just 15 kilometres from town, struck, causing an estimated $4 billion worth of damage. 15 lives were lost, making it Australia's most serial disaster. What grew from the debris and rubble was a rebirth of absolute beauty, remembering past, forging ahead with planning. I especially appreciated the buildings being set back, allowing a featured walkway along the river. With such an active shipping channel, I was keen to go and explore the entrance. So Nobby's Head was a traditional landmark to get around. There were shoals just out here, so it was traditionally a difficult place to get in. Nobby's Head was twice the size of what it is now. They quarried all the rocks and made the trail that we're riding on now. And Nobby's Head Lighthouse itself had some interesting history. When the convicts were here, they were instructed to dig holes in the quarry. They were going to blow up and actually lose the whole lot. But when locals got hold of the fact that they were going to do that, they protested and it was stopped. And so Nobby's Head is still a major lighthouse for a major shipping centre. And as far back as 1870, it became a major industrial hub. And today, it's still one of the leading shipping centres in Australia and the world for coal and iron ore. It was time to leave Nobby's Head for one last and most poignant place to visit. Memorial Drive set high on the cliffs, architecturally designed and a place of inspiration, reminding us all that despite the horrors of war and the most idiotic way we can treat each other, the world is a place of constant beauty. Well, that's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. Newcastle, a beautiful, beautiful, somewhat complicated place. Like the weather that started off beautiful this morning, and now look at it. I hope you enjoyed my little venture around Newcastle. If you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, that'd be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.